Try to open any game, but you face this error. The code execution cannot proceed because Steam API.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem, but don't worry, I am here to fix this problem. First of all, close this error. Next, download this folder. Don't worry, you will get link in the description box. Once downloaded, simply open it and copy these two files. Now minimize the folder and right-click on your game. Here, click on Open File Location and paste these two files here. Now close this folder. Now let's check whether our problem is solved or not. And here you can see the game open without any error. So if this video helped you, then make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.